Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a new site where you can mine free BNB smart chain every second without investment. You can also withdraw any amount of BNB smart chain you mine on this particular site. So before I start mining now, I'm just going to have to go to Faucet Pay. So this is Faucet Pay. I'll have to get my BNB wallet address. Okay. So this is BNB wallet address. We click on deposit and copy it out. And after that, we head on back to the mining site and paste the BNB wallet address inside this box. Then click on start mining now. It is going to take to your account dashboard immediately, and it should start mining the BNB smart chain for you immediately, as it is free and it requires no investment. Okay. So by the way, this is where you're going to see the miner. All right, let's search for the miner right now. Okay, this is it below here. Okay, this is it below this place. It is mining, and it also has a referral system whereby you can invite your friends and you're going to receive 20% of the mining power they used to invest. 20% of the BNB they invested here. You're going to get it sent to your account. You can also come over here. You can decide to invest by purchasing miners. So minimum purchase is 10. It is going to cost you 0.00001 BNB, and you're going to get a daily profit of 0.0000003 BNB every single day for 365 days. Okay, if you purchase up to 1000 mining speed, it is going to cost you 0.01 BNB, and you're going to make 0.00003 BNB every single day for 365 days. Okay, if you purchase up to 10,000 mining speed, it is going to cost you 0.1 BNB, and you're going to make 0.0003 BNB every single day for 365 days. That is giving you a mining speed of 10,000, and you're also going to receive extra bonus of 26,400. If you purchase up to 100,000 mining speed, it is going to cost you 1 BNB, and you're going to make 0.003 BNB every single day for 365 days, giving you 0.003 BNB every single day for 365 days. You also receive 100,000 mining speed and over 444,000 extra. All right, so that is how it is over here right now. So this is where they calculated it well. Okay, if you can just purchase 100 mining power, you're going to be, it is going to cost you 0.001 BNB, and you're going to be receiving 180% in 1 year. And take note, as it is mining daily, you can withdraw. If you can make a deposit of, if you can purchase 500 mining speed, it's going to cost you 0.005 BNB, and you're going to make 220% profit in 1 year. This, if you purchase 1000, you're going to receive extra 1550, and it is going to cost you 0.01 BNB. You're going to make 280% in 1 year. If you purchase the one of 10,000, you're going to get 26,400 mining speed extra. You're going to have to pay 0.1 BNB to get it, and you're going to receive 400% profit in 1 year. If you purchase this one with 100, if you purchase the 100,000 mining speed package, you're going to get 445,000 mining speed extra. It is going to cost you 1 BNB. You're going to receive 100% profit in 1 year. So to buy, just click on the buy button to buy it. If you click on the buy button, before you click on the buy button, you should have to make a deposit. So to make a deposit, come over here, click on this button right here, then click on deposit. If you click on deposit, it is going to bring you here. So copy out the wallet address they give you and deposit. When you are done with the deposit, you then have to come back and refresh your account. Okay, so when you are done refreshing your account, you're going to receive your deposit in your account immediately. You can also decide to put to complete tasks such as this particular task. It is going to take you 11 minutes, and you're going to receive 21,000 mining speed. This one is going to take you 15 minutes, and you're going to receive 2,000 mining speed. This one is going to take you 30 minutes, and you're going to receive 4,000 mining speed. So all these mining powers here, you can see it has over 5-star ratings, showing you that it is actually working well. So now you can also play games here, but we are not gonna focus on this one right now. Let's just go ahead and go withdraw. Okay, so to withdraw now, to withdraw now. Okay, you can click here to receive extra 25 Theta hash power. So click on the end now button. It is going to take you to maybe it is going to take you to this place. You can actually just head on back to your account and refresh your account. After refreshing your account, the mining power is going to be added to your account immediately. So it actually brings it out. Okay, so let's go click on the harvest button. By the way, as a free user, I'm going to be receiving 0.000001 BNB every 24 hours. So click on harvest, click on maximum here now to withdraw. Okay, so you see this is where you might make a mistake. This one, minimum withdrawal for your normal wallet is 0.00005 BNB, but if you choose faucet pay, it has a very low minimum withdrawal. So verify capture right here now, and okay, when you are done, click on verify again, then withdraw. Okay, minimum withdrawal is 0.0000001 BNB. So I have 0.000000. Okay, wait, this is 0.0000001 BNB. That is 7 zeros. This one is 0.0000001. So I will have to just give it like 30 minutes for it to accumulate that amount of BNB. Then I can come back and we're going to be placing the withdrawal immediately. So let's wait. Welcome back. So after 15 minutes, I accumulated the minimum withdrawal amount. So if we should just go for faucet pay right now, we verify capture as usual, then we click on withdraw. You see that it says we should withdraw using blockchain. So in that case, minimum withdrawal amount here is 0.00005 BNB. So if you don't have up to 0.00005 BNB, you cannot be able to withdraw. And for sign up purpose, you can sign up using even faucet pay BNB wallet address and any BNB wallet address you want to use. Okay, so please withdraw only using your using blockchain itself, because minimum withdrawal here is 0.00005 BNB. So that is it. Remember, they have a referral system whereby you can invite your friends and you're going to be receiving a referral bonus of 20%. Okay, so urge your friends to invest so that you're going to be able to receive your referral commission and you can withdraw anytime, any day you wish. So that's all for this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe and follow me to see more videos on how you can earn money online. Like this video, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Stay safe when investing. Invest at own risk. Invest what you can afford to lose. And also take note, I'm not a financial expert. I'm also not a financial advisor. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Once again, stay safe and God bless.